it's ZeBirdBrain here. Did you know we have a Discord server? Well, now you do. So yeah, a couple years back, I created a Discord server for my small YouTube channel, just so that people could have a place to hang when I was not streaming. But, you know, it's been a while now, and that small thing kind of grew, and now it's big and full of people, and it's pretty darn great. I love that place. So yeah, I've been around many Discord servers, and honestly, I've had quite a few bad experiences with a few of them. So I get it if some of you are like hesitant of joining or not interested, but hear me out. Most of the art servers I've been around to mostly went like this. So a person comes in the server, posts their art, and is like, oh, look at the thing I did, and then leaves. Sometimes not even coming back to see the comments, like, I don't get it. But, you know, like, someone comes, posts their art, leaves. Another person comes, posts their art, and leaves. And, you know, but a lot of people, when they have an art piece done, they go through, like, a list of Discord server, post it in every places, and then just leaves. So what's the result of that? No one gives a flying whack about anyone else's art. And I think that's kind of sad, and it really prevents the artist and the server to grow. So as our server grew, we had to establish what we call the Rule of Acknowledgement, ROA for short. So the Rule of Acknowledgement is pretty darn simple. On top of being honestly just common courtesy for most of us, it is also much, much more. So as artists, we are quick to just do what I call post and go. So you do something, you post it, and then you go. And then get like 3 likes and 2 comments. And I'm not saying that art is only valuable to the number of comments it gets or likes. I couldn't care less about that. What I do care about is that artists are sad because they make something, they would like that something to be seen and appreciated by people, and that's valid. I'm not saying you should look out for like 500 likes on your drawing and think you're a failure if you don't get those. But hey, we are social beings, we're humans. We like to make art, show it. Not that you should seek validation from others at all time, but let's be honest again, it does feel great. So with the Rule of Acknowledgement, what we're trying to do is get you lovely people to comment on other people's work before posting yours. What does that do? It makes a bunch of happy people, because then if I post something, then someone else is gonna answer, oh, I seen what you made, and my eyeballs looked at the thing. It's great. Or it's not. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I don't like it, but it's fine. Like, as long as you look at it, it's great. So you don't need to write like an essay on the art someone posted. All you have to do is acknowledge that you've seen it. That's all we're asking. Like, you can go like, oh, nice artwork, I like the way you drew the legs, or I like the hair color, or oh, that's a very interesting animation. Here, look what I did. And then, you know what you do? You start a conversation. And with conversation comes making links with people. You know, we're humans. We are social creatures. Instead of thinking that making connection or networking is only showing up to some events, eating little cocktail burgers and drinking with some people in the industry that honestly don't always care about you, networking is also starting small, making small connections on a stupid Discord server, and making friends and stuff. And it's okay to lurk. I don't have anything against people that lurk and only post once a century. But that time that you post on my server, you'd better damn acknowledge someone before you do, okay? So, let me introduce you to our Discord server. So the link is always at the bottom of my videos. It's very easy to find. And then it's gonna take you to this little pages, and then you can just like continue to Discord or something. And then it's gonna take you to this super cool page that will load sometime. I guess my internet is wacky today. Okay, so this is our Discord server. We have an announcement place where, you know, we announce very important stuff. And if you want to enter, you have to enter through the egg carton and follow what's written there. Sometimes it doesn't work because Discord is stupid sometimes. If it doesn't work, you can just tag me and I'll come and I'll open the door to anyone who wants to comment. It's fine. I validate people one by one. Why do we have this system? It's because we don't want bots and weird evil things coming in our Discord server and messing with all of you's life. So this is just a safeguard. It's annoying sometimes, but you know, it keeps us safe. You can also go to the role assigned channel, and in there you're gonna find a bunch of little things where you can click on the icons and it's gonna give you roles. So like you can put your pronouns in there, and you can get a live stream role that's gonna alert you every time we live stream. So, you know, a bunch of fun things for you to make that Discord server a bit more personal. And then within the server, we have a bunch of categories. These categories, you can click on them to extend them, and then, oh my god, the server rules. This is the first thing you should read whenever you come on the server. And it's very well explained, everything you have to do. Everything you need to do to not go to pan. You don't want to go to the pan. Going and become like a panned fried egg. It's not fun. So, you know, check out these rules. We took the time to write them so that people could live together in harmony and be happy. And then we have the essential part, where we have general chat, where people can just have fun and chat together. We have the live stream archive. So do you sometimes wonder where my art streams goes when they're done? well, this is where they go. They're all there, and you can all click on them to see what you've missed. Or don't, it's fine, it's not always interesting. We have a place for achievements and goals and job opportunities. It's a very nice place. Oh yeah, and we have a golden turf, but this is just for my organization. It's pretty boring, you don't want to get there. And we have the best place, which is the art stuff. So in art stuff, you have like a feedback place, resource sharing channel. We have animation, storyboard, even a place to put D&D art. Look at that pumpkin, it's so great. You did great, Yater Dog, that's amazing. We even have a place for writing and comics and 3D and rigging. It's a place for everyone to come together and grow. And this is the rule of acknowledgement in action. You see? Discussion. People are posting and their art is getting acknowledged, and it's fun and it's nice, right? So if you want to be part of that, please, by all means, click on the link and join us. We also have a place for social time where you can talk with people and just exchange. We have the Cloud Cuckoo Land, which is a very high energy place. If you're crazy, you can go there. If you want to work and be quiet, we have the Work Nest, which is calm and quiet. And then we have the live stream egg station. So if you want to live stream something, at least, and you want people to join, that's fine, but at least they know that they're going to be live stream if they go there. We have Random Land with a bunch of kind of cool things like memories and foods and pets and egg posting, which is the only kind of memes posting allowed on this server, and it's all related to eggs. And it's great. Sometimes I check it, sometimes I don't. Sometimes it gets really weird. And we have a figure drawing place. We have the YouTube channel place where you have a bunch of suggestions you can give and some past events. And we host so many fun things on this server, so it's ever growing, it's pretty safe, and I hope that you're gonna have fun joining. And yeah, so that's our lovely Discord server. I hope that you're gonna have fun joining and help us grow this place into a wonderful heaven of art creation. And yeah, I met a lot of people that didn't know we had a Discord server, so here we are. Now you do. So yeah, have a nice day and see you later.